Hello friends, in this video we are dealing with the metabolism of mannose. Mannose metabolism involves uptake, phosphorylation and conversion of mannose into other metabolic pathways or its use in glycoconjugate synthesis. It is crucial process for protein glycosylation, which is affected by the enzymes like hexokinase, phosphomannose isomerase and phosphomannomutase. Mannose is transported into the cells via facilitated diffusion hexose transporters similar to glucose. Once inside the cell, mannose is phosphorylated by hexokinase to form mannose 6-phosphate. Mannose 6-phosphate can be converted to fructose 6-phosphate by phosphomannose isomerase. Fructose 6-phosphate is then enters glycolysis or is used in gluconeogenesis. Thanks for the watching.